Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the pound yen. Now, why I chose this pair is because there is a very nice configuration on the intraday, and also later on in the day, we also have pound news coming up. We have the Bank of England committee member giving a speech later. But for now, I just want to focus on the daily. On the daily, let's just focus on this area. Okay, price reversed over here. Okay, and this area may seem seemingly random. All right, if I were to take a retracement from the high to the low, okay, and open up Fibonacci, I think it's at the 50%. Okay, we have the 50% level. Right, that's the 50% level. But at the same time, if we look to the left, there are a lot of reference levels, right? So this area, okay, price came close this area and this area as well. So many reference levels where price actually reversed in this area. Okay, so let's just select the 50. Okay, and we can put our daily resistance down over there. Take it right at the top. Now, we also see that price actually made sort of a double bottom, right? Price came down, made sort of a double bottom, and came back up. Okay, if anything, I'm expecting, and price really reacted down. If anything, I'm expecting price to push to this graphical overlap. Okay, so we have a low and we have a high. We can take a retracement of this entire move. Okay, and this graphical overlap, the real level, is actually at 61.8. Okay, if we ignore the spike. So if I change to close, we see a graphical overlap is at 61.8. So I can put that level in. Okay, change this to support and go back to candlestick. Let me zoom in. What we actually have is the daily range, our daily resistance and daily support. So very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, I just want to focus on this area here. Let me just tidy things up. Okay, something like that. And we actually see that price is actually making a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, all right, and then it's sort of tapered down here. So there's sort of an indecision over here, right? But if we were to just follow the prior trend and connect all the highs, okay, it will be something like that. Okay, connect all the highs is fine to cut the wicks but not cut the candles. Okay, so we have a descending trend line, something like that. And what I'm expecting price to do is really to actually make a push up to this level, the same level here, and then after that go all the way down to the 61.8. Right, so this is the level that we identified on the daily. However, we have to be careful because there is a strong support level over here that has yet to break, right? A very strong support level. So let's put that support level in, okay? And really, this is what I think could actually happen. I'll wait for a downside confirmation before I'll play a very strong down to the daily target. Okay, so for the low risk traders, all right, this downside confirmation can really be my sell entry, right? And of course, this will be my take profit. All right. So, and where would my stop loss be? Remember, stop loss is always the level where you know your trades are definitely wrong. Okay, so over here we see the price will go down. Now, if price breaks below the sell entry and goes lower, all right, should price be somewhere here, the stop loss will naturally be above the descending trend line resistance. Okay, so my stop loss will be somewhere over here. Okay, so this is definitely a waiting game right now, and this is what I see for pound yen. All right, should price actually, so we are actually prepared for all eventualities. Should price actually fail to break the sell entry, come back up, take out your stop loss. Okay, I'll wait for a retest of this descending trend line resistance, turn support, and I'll play long and go towards the alternative target. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in into today's quick intraday analysis of the pound yen. I hope today's analysis has been a helpful one and that you guys have had a great weekend yesterday. So take care and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.